Hi everybody. This video is a demonstration about how to use FlipGrid and how to use a visual aid while recording in FlipGrid. So let's get started. Before we go to Canvas and access FlipGrid, we want to first go to the internet and find a picture that will be our visual aid. For this class project, our topic is animal migration. So I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to search for a picture of my topic. My topic is the jaguar. I'm going to type in the name jaguar and click on Google Images so I can see some pictures of my topic. I'm going to select ones I like. Here's one. And to save it, I want to right click on the mouse and select Save Image As. And I want to make sure I tell my computer where to save it. I think a good option is to save it in Pictures or in your Documents folder or on your desktop. Any one of those is helpful, but remember where you saved it. Also, I'm going to change the file name so I know what this is, and I'm going to save that first picture. Let's find another one so I have a couple options. Here's another. So I'll again right click and select Save Image As. My computer remembers the folder, it's in Pictures, and I'll save it as Jaguar 2. So now I have my two images saved, and I'm ready to go to Canvas to begin recording my project. When I go to Canvas, you can see that Class Project 3 is in my to-do list, or of course I can find it under Modules. Let's go to Modules there, and we'll see it under Class Projects, Class Project 3, Submit Your FlipGrid video here. Let's click the link and we'll scroll down to find the gray button where we now go to FlipGrid. In FlipGrid, we'll scroll down until we find the famous green button, which allows us to begin recording our video. Click it to begin. And we get this nice picture here. So here is my video in FlipGrid. I'm ready to begin my project. And to do that, I will start. Hello, my name is Jacob. This is my presentation, yada, yada, etc., etc. Now, when I'm ready to share and show the class my visual aid, look for this option at the bottom right corner in FlipGrid called Photo Sticker. When you click Photo Sticker, you're going to get this page, and you have two options: to drag and drop the file into this box, or simply upload it. Let's try both ways. Dragging and dropping is a little easy. All you have to do is find that folder where you had saved your pictures. When I click on my folders, there are my two pictures. And remember, I'm in my Pictures folder. And if you saved it in Desktop or Documents, click on that place to find it. I'm simply just going to move that folder just a bit, enough so that I can click and then drag the image over like that. So notice when I drag the image over, I get this, and then I can move it around in FlipGrid. So here is now my visual aid. Oops, my first visual aid on the right side of me or on the left side of the screen. When I'm done with this image, I can simply clear it out by clicking Clear at the top, and it goes away. As I continue the presentation, maybe I want to show my next visual aid after that. Again, I select Photo Sticker. This time I want to try to upload it. And to upload, I'm just going to click this box, and it brings up this window here. Now, sometimes your computer might be on a different folder, let's say Documents. So you'll have to quickly find where you've saved your images. I did mine in Pictures. And then this time I'll now select the image and click Open. And same thing, it drops the image right here in FlipGrid. And I can move it around. I can drag it. Oh, I can try to hide it on my face. I can also change the size of it, make it bigger, smaller. There's many things I can do with this feature. Once again, when I'm finished with this image, I can clear it from the screen. And then I continue my presentation. Okay, so this was a demonstration about how to use FlipGrid and how to use the Photo Sticker tool in this program. Good luck on Class Project 3.